Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you travel enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the Luggage 8-set packing cubes for travel, a must-have luggage organizer that's taking the travel world by storm. If you're tired of the packing hassle, you won't want to miss this. Just take a look at these sleek and stylish packing cubes. They come in a beautiful cream color and offer a variety of sizes to cater to all your packing needs. But why are they considered the best travel bags on the market? Let's break it down. First off, these Luggage packing cubes are designed to simplify your packing process. With 4 various sizes, including extra large, medium, and small, you can fit them into almost any suitcase, luggage compartment, or travel bag. Say goodbye to the chaos of a disorganized suitcase. Now, let's talk about what's included in this 8-set package. You get not only the 4 different sized packing cubes but also a toiletry bag, a laundry bag, a shoe bag, and an accessory bag. It's a complete solution for all your travel essentials like jackets, shirts, shoes, pants, underwear, toiletries, and more. No more mixing clean and soiled clothes, thanks to the included laundry bag. But what truly sets these packing cubes apart is their durability. Made from anti-tearing and water-resistant materials, they can withstand 4x stronger tension. The reinforced double seams and high-density stitching ensure these cubes are built to last. Plus, they've been LST tested to provide you with the best quality. The zippers are smooth and durable, with sturdy metal two-way zippers that slide smoothly and reduce the risk of jamming and snags. You can count on these cubes to stand up to frequent use. To make your life even easier, these cubes come with side handles for convenient lifting, loading, and carrying. No more struggling with heavy bags. Now, let's take a look at what customers are saying. With a 4.6 out of 5-star rating, customers rave about the lightweight design, durability, and value for money. These cubes are loved by travelers for their ability to keep things organized and stress-free. So, if you're tired of the packing chaos and want to make your travel experience smoother, the Luggage 8-set packing cubes for travel are the way to go. With our exclusive Prime deal, you can grab these for just $16.99. Don't miss out on this Black Friday deal. That's a wrap for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these packing cubes, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy travels!